I witnessed clouds, rain, and floods for 8 straight months from chemtrails. It caused a lot of damage and flooded some buildings and some people and rose the river over here on the Ohio River. And lots of places have been flooded by chemtrails. It causes extreme cold weather in the winter, and it causes lots of rain. It can rain constantly. It also drops the temperature very significantly.